Blessed Sunday to everyone. Welcome to Baguio City. Let's go for a walk. Blessed Sunday everyone. It's me, Louis Carpus again. Let's go for a walk. My wife told me to buy seafoods. So we're gonna go buy tahong in the market. And we'll see. We're gonna pass by again. Maybe to Ukay-Ukay. I'm gonna look for some stuff. More blessings to all of us. Let's go. Come, let's go. Look at these dogs, they're so short. Alright. Hello everyone, Louis Carpus here, Baguio Paparazzi. We're gonna go to the grocery first and we're gonna buy seafoods. We are here in Abanao Road, Upper Abanao. That behind me is Baguio City Hall. Hello, Louis Carpus here. We're gonna check out the Ukay-Ukay there. We're gonna go look for some good finds here in the Ukay-Ukay.
Ano sila ng pera doon? Ibang pera ng babae sila.
Malunggay, boss. Dalawa natin.
Kawawa ko na ikaw gusto na. Magtrabaho ka na lang ng sarili. Ito ka, boss. Tingnan ko. Sabi ni, ay,
Pili lang, sige,
Sige po.
video mo.
Up.
pakipost na rin kuya.